Well, new study findings tonight that cannot be entirely explained. New research showing that people with dementia are at an even greater risk of catching COVID-19 and dying than previously thought. Keep in mind that Alzheimer's is already the fourth leading cause of death in our state. ABC4's Nicole Newman joining us live from the Utah Health Department. Nicole, you looked into this. What can you tell us tonight?
Well, Emily, right now the findings are limited, but come at a time when long-term care facilities in our state are seeing a distinction of dementia patients dying from COVID-19. There's a need to protect patients with dementia as part of the strategy to control the COVID-19 pandemic. That's according to a new study released this week in the Journal of the Alzheimer's Association. Researchers analyzed the electronic records of 61.9 million adult and senior patients in the United States up to August 21st of last year. The findings indicate risk factors beyond common ones like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity, and conclude Americans with dementia are twice as likely to die from COVID. But researchers still aren't exactly sure why. Utah's latest dementia numbers show in 2017 about 30,000 adults 65 or older were impacted. By 2025, that number is projected to increase to 42,000 adults, representing a 40% increase.
And one of the other unique distinguishing features among our deaths in long-term care facilities is the presence of dementia.
This study comes at a time when dementia patients are dying from the coronavirus at a distinct rate in long-term state care facilities. In November, ABC4 spoke with Michelle Hoffman at the Utah Department of Health. Hoffman tracks the number of COVID-19 deaths. At that time, out of 808 total deaths, 295 were in long-term care facilities.
That's actually an improvement over the course of the pandemic.
And today, the department releasing new COVID numbers showing out of the new 17 deaths being reported, nearly half of them were in long-term care facilities. Live in Salt Lake City, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.